Coach, now you got yourself a volunteer.
All right, volunteer. Let's see, where was it? Oh my God, I don't want it. Come on up, Daytona? Dakota, come on up, Dakota. Who's going to play quarterback for us in the volunteer division? Who's the volunteer? Quarterback. Yeah, what's your name? Kennedy. You going to play quarterback for us? All right. All right, I'm going to be the defensive linebacker. Dakota's going to work a swim move and then go catch it up the seam, right? All right, here we go.
We call this the Coach Whitten What You Learn drill. All right, Coach. Cowboys now.
Cowboys, I need a quarterback. Coach, help me pick one quarterback out over here. Do you guys work some quarterback drills? Coach Powell? Where's he at? Come on. Get him up here. Which one is it? Come on up. Come on, what's your name? Got Jordan. Give it up for Jordan, quarterback. Who wants to play tight end? There he is. Come on up here. Reese, right? Reese, come on up here, buddy. Y'all give it up for Jordan and Reese. You gotta back up, though. You guys are big boys. All right, I'm gonna play linebacker.
Just going to chair and release him here.
Down. Push. Stick it.